Good afternoon, y'all. This is John with Crown Y. I was going to show y'all a little video on a paddock move. We just sent this reel out. Didn't take too long, probably about 20 minutes. We got a little bit of grass here in this field. A lot of the warm season stuff is going dormant, as you can see, but we're going to try to make a run through this paddock here. It's kind of big. This is one that was treated kind of rough, and I think I've grazed this one time, but things with Mother Nature, they turn around slow. They always turn around, but they just turn around slow, and that's what we're trying to do here. But I was going to show y'all how long it takes to do a paddock move. Now, some of these cows here that you see, some of them are kind of new, and you're always going to have a knothead that isn't doing everything that they should. So you may see that, but let me give them a call. Might want to turn your speakers down just for a second. I'm just going to try to call them and see if they're ready to move. Come, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Well, come on then. Come, girls. When I do a paddock move, I try to make sure they're all down here. You don't want a long drawn out cow drive, so if you can get them all bunched up here and you open the gate, they're more likely to all come through when they're supposed to. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. This wire here is cold, but they don't know that, so you can see they're staying off of it a little bit. Let's see what all we can do. They're not up like I want them to, but we'll see what happens. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. We got those pulling up the rear. Not in much of a hurry. Got a couple young calves here. And that's it. They all acted like they should have, and we got them moved. Didn't take too long. Now I got to put this reel back up. I'm putting this reel back up because I don't want them to go on the area. Watch, this phone might be messing up for a second. Don't want them to go back on what they've already grazed. I put them on that yesterday, and they grazed that down, so they're not going back there till it recovers. And now they're eating this stuff here. So that's basically it. There's not much to it. They are happy. They're eating. Tomorrow I'll move them again, or make a paddock right there. Probably where that mule is. And they'll be off this section here and they won't come back to this for a while. But they are enjoying the grass. I love listening to Grace, to them grazing. But they're as happy as they can be. Anyway, I was just going to show y'all Paddock move and let y'all take a look at the cows. Y'all have a good day. Bye.